Good morning, students. In history, chapter 5, exercise is already started. Up to the 8th question, we have written down the answer. Now, 9, write down the question 9. Find out stories and songs remembered by people in your area about the सन 57 की लड़ाई. What memories do people cherish about the great uprising? Now here, students, you have to take the help of the in Google Play, in net, and collect the stories related to the revolt of 1857. Means these answer you have to do on your own yourself. Now next question, find out more about Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, in what ways would she have been an unusual woman for her times? Now this answer 10, I give you answer about the Rani Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai. Write down. Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi played a vital role, vital means important role in the revolt of 1857. She fought bravery with the British force. She challenged her the British law, which had debarred her adopted son from being the ruler. She was one of the great forces behind the revolt against the British. The matchless courage that she showed is rare. The matchless courage that she showed is rare. Now, in this chapter, we have one extra exercise. Give the title. Observe the picture given below taken from the book, page 60, and answer the following. Answer that follows. Now I show the picture. It's a page 60. This is the picture. Now in exam you have picture based question. What is the title? Picture based questions. They will ask for 1 mark question, picture based question. In that they show the picture. Here is the picture. Now carefully see the picture and that follows the question. First question, what do you see in the above picture? First question, what do you see in the above picture? Question 1, what do you see in the above picture? Now children tell to see the picture. From this picture, here is the British forces are capturing the rebels. British forces. Now first question, what do you see in the above picture? The British forces are capturing the rebels. Now what second question, what does the artist want to show? What does the artist want to show? In this picture, what does the artist want to show? Here in figure 9 shows this picture. British forces capture the rebels near Kanpur. You can add this near Kanpur. Now second question, what does the artist want to show? Artist A picture से क्या show करना चाहते हैं? Now here second, notice the way the artist shows the British soldiers violently advancing on the rebel forces. Now this you copy for answer. Second, the artist wants to show the might of the British soldiers who violently advanced on the rebel forces. Now this had done for picture based question. In that, in the previous 7th standard, I have asked one picture based question. Children, you have remembered, standard 8 students? Like this, here is again the another picture based question at the page 60, and here there's answer in figure 8. First a picture, British troops blow up Kashmir gate to enter Delhi. So what this picture tells us, what this picture shows us, the British troops blow up Kashmir gate to enter Delhi. ऐसे पिक्चर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आते हैं इन द एग्जाम में. तो यू हैव टू लर्न in this chapter. So many pictures are there. Here is another. The sledge train reaches Delhi. The battle in the Cleverly lines. Battle in the Cleverly lines. Here, when I explain the chapter, I always, children, you have to keep the habit of reading the chapter from the textbook. There are so many extra. Here, two sepoys. But what they are doing? They exchange news and rumors. कहा था अफवाह in the bazaars of North India. So what these two sepoys do? If they ask the question, the sepoys exchange ideas and rumors, news in the bazaars of North India. Like this picture-based question may be asked. Now we have another extra exercises for map. Map question. In the last, one question is always asked in the social studies, map. In this chapter we have map. This we will see in the next class. Thank you very much.